Hi everyone, Rob here from Bigtank, and in this week's vlog it's a quick look at the tech that we use for our online chats and why we think that having a good quality setup is vital. And not just at a grassroots level of being able to be seen and heard, but vitally to be able to really engage with our audience. Now, due to the fact that we're a video production company, it may come as no surprise that the cameras we use in our nicely lit meeting room here for our Zoom and our Teams chats are not the run-of-the-mill webcams. In fact, we use two Sony cameras with really good lenses, and in fact our main camera that I'm talking to you on now is a professional video stills camera that we link through to a video mixer. Now, we use this for two reasons. One is that the visual quality when used in a nice bright environment like this one is very impressive. Well, hopefully so. But it means from the outset we want to show any people we meet on a chat that we take visual quality very seriously, as it's a fairly important element of the work that we do here. And by using a camera where we can control the width of the shot and the filmic depth of field, it instantly sets us apart from someone just using a regular webcam. And the other reason that we like to use a high quality camera for chats is that it can show off our non-verbal communication as well. Eye contact, facial expressions, smiles and interest all come across much more vividly, which again is a really important element to the work we do. We're capturing sincerity, passion, values and trust from our clients are the things that create waves with a firm and don't just tick boxes. Another vital element of the kit we use is good quality microphones and having them fairly close to our mouths. Now, having poor sound on a conversation setup and having a microphone 100 yards away should be avoided at all costs, as it makes it harder for your audience to understand you. And obviously on a deeper level, again, you'll most likely want people to hear your sincerity and passion in a discussion, both of which you can absolutely pick up from someone's voice, even if you can't see them. But Rob, I hear you cry, we don't all have access to fancy broadcast cameras and sound technology. And that's a valid point. But when you are buying kit, such as webcams or specifying your new laptop, it's always worth having a look what is available around your price range, and absolutely worth spending that little bit more to get better sound and visual results from your kit. And in general, even if you are just using the camera and sound built into your laptop, spend a bit of time to get the framing right so your face fits nicely in the screen, and make sure there's light on your face whilst avoiding heavy backlight if you can, and sound wise sit as close to the microphone as is comfortable, as that will make the experience much more vivid, much more clearer for your audience. And finally, and one of the most important, is eye contact. Whilst it's sometimes a challenge to do, try having your meetings looking directly into the device's camera or lens, rather than looking at someone's face on a screen on your laptop. As if you look into the lens, you're effectively looking directly at your audience, which amounts to much greater engagement. As ever guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do want any advice on how to get the best from your virtual meeting setup, please ask away, and do keep the comments coming on LinkedIn. And as ever, wherever you are in the world, stay safe, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Cheers.